What was the Indian Constituent Assembly empowered to do according to the Indian Independence Act of 1947? A. Frame any constitution it pleased. B. Ratify India's membership in the Commonwealth. C. Enact ordinary laws for the country. D. All of the above. When did the Muslim League members withdraw from the Constituent Assembly? A. December 31, 1947. B. November 26, 1949. C. May 1949. D. January 24, 1950. How many members did the Constituent Assembly have after the Muslim League members withdrew? A. 389. B. 299. C. 499. D. 589. What did the Constituent Assembly adopt on July 22, 1947? A. The National Anthem. B. The National Flag. C. The Constitution of India. D. None of the above. How many sessions did the Constituent Assembly hold in total? A. 8. B. 11. C. 15. D. 20. Who was the first President of India elected by the Constituent Assembly? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Sardar Patel. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who led the Union Powers Committee responsible for determining the powers of the Union government in India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Sardar Patel. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who chaired the drafting committee responsible for drafting the Constitution of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Sardar Patel. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who headed the Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights, Minorities, and Tribal and Excluded Areas? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Sardar Patel. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. How many subcommittees did the Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights, Minorities, and Tribal and Excluded Areas have? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 6. What was the main responsibility of the Provincial Constitution Committee? A. Determining the powers of the Union government in India. B. Drafting the Constitution of India. C. Drafting the constitutions of the various provinces in India. D. Making recommendations on fundamental rights. What was the role of the Rules of Procedure Committee? A. Drafting the Constitution of India. B. Making recommendations on fundamental rights. C. Preparing the rules of procedure to be followed by the Constituent Assembly. D. Deciding on the relationship between the provincial governments and the Union government in India. Who led the States Committee responsible for negotiating with the princely states of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Sardar Patel. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What was the role of the steering committee? A. Drafting the Constitution of India. B. Negotiating with the princely states of India. C. Managing the business conducted by the Constituent Assembly. D. Drafting the constitutions of the various provinces in India. How many countries' constitutions did the Constituent Assembly refer to? A. Around 30. B. Around 40. C. Around 50. D. Around 60. How many days was the draft constitution considered by the Constituent Assembly? A. 100 days. B. 104 days. C. 110 days. D. 114 days. How much money was spent on making the constitution? A. 6,400 rupees. B. 6.4 crore rupees. C. 64 lakh rupees. D. 64 crore rupees. When did the Constituent Assembly serve as both the constituent body and the legislative body? A. Until November 26, 1949. B. Until May 1949. C. Until January 24, 1950. D. Until the formation of the new parliament in 1951-52. What was the main responsibility of the Union Constitution Committee? A. Determining the powers of the Union government in India. B. Drafting the Constitution of India. C. Drafting the constitutions of the various provinces in India. D. Making recommendations on fundamental rights. Who was responsible for defining the relationship between the provincial governments and the Union government in India? A. Union Powers Committee. B. When was the drafting committee formed? A. August 15, 1947. B. August 29, 1947. C. September 1, 1947. D. September 15, 1947. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? A. N. Gopalaswamy Iyengar. B. Alladi Krishna Swamy Iyer. C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Dr. K.M. Munshi. How many members did the drafting committee have? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. When was the first draft of the Constitution of India published? A. February 1947. B. February 1948. C. October 1947. D. October 1948. How much time was given to the people of India to discuss and propose amendments to the first draft of the Constitution of India? A. 6 months. B. 8 months. C. 10 months. D. 1 year. When was the second draft of the Constitution of India published? A. February 1948. B. October 1948. C. February 1949. D. October 1949. How long did the drafting committee take to prepare its draft of the Constitution of India? A. Less than 4 months. B. Less than 6 months. C. Less than 8 months. D. Less than 10 months. How many days did the members of the drafting committee sit to prepare their draft of the Constitution of India? A. Less than 100 days. B. Less than 125 days. C. Less than 150 days. D. Less than 175 days. What was the main responsibility of the drafting committee? A. Preparing the rules of procedure to be followed by the Constituent Assembly. B. Drafting the constitutions of the various provinces in India. C. Negotiating with the princely states of India. D. Preparing a draft of the new Constitution of India. What was the goal of the drafting committee? A. To create a document that would guide the governance of India for generations to come. B. To establish the rule of British law in India. C. To retain the existing political structure of India. D. To dismantle the caste system in India.